friends, how are you all? Hope everybody is fine staying at their homes. In this video, we are going to learn class 10, Science chapter 6, Life Processes, Respiration. Respiration is the process of acquiring oxygen from outside the body and to use it in the process of breakdown of food sources for cellular needs. There are two types of respirations. Number 1, aerobic respiration. The process of respiration that takes place during the presence of oxygen. Number 2, anaerobic respiration. The process of respiration that takes place during the absence of oxygen. The amount of energy released during aerobic respiration is lot greater than the energy released during anaerobic respiration. In all cases, the first step is the breakdown of glucose, a 6-carbon molecule, into a 3-carbon molecule called pyruvate. This process takes place in the cytoplasm. Diverse organisms do this process in different ways. Glucose in cytoplasm during the absence of oxygen is converted into ethanol, carbon dioxide, a 2-carbon molecule, and energy is produced. This process takes place in yeast during fermentation. Glucose in cytoplasm during lack of oxygen is converted into lactic acid, a 3-carbon molecule, and energy is produced. This process takes place in our muscle cells. The buildup of lactic acid in our muscle cells during sudden activity causes muscle cramps. Glucose in cytoplasm during the presence of oxygen is converted into carbon dioxide, water, and energy is produced. This process takes place in mitochondria. The energy released during cellular respiration is immediately used to synthesize a molecule called ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is used to fuel all other activities in the cell. Since aerobic respiration pathway depends on oxygen, aerobic organisms needs to ensure that there is sufficient intake of oxygen. Carbon dioxide and oxygen are exchanged by the process of diffusion in plants. The process of diffusion depends upon two conditions: environmental conditions and plant requirements. We know that photosynthesis does not take place during the night time since the intensity of light is very low. During the night time, when there is no photosynthesis occurring, carbon dioxide elimination is the major exchange activity going on. During the daytime, carbon dioxide generated during respiration is used up for photosynthesis. Hence, there is no carbon dioxide release. Instead, oxygen release is the major event at this time. The amount of oxygen present in water is very low compared to the amount of oxygen present in the atmosphere. So, the rate of breathing in organisms also differs. For example, the rate of breathing in aquatic organisms is much faster than terrestrial organisms.
Human respiratory system.